Hello students, welcome to General Knowledge class. Today we are going to learn about the world around us, and that is our chapter 6. So let's start with that.
Chapter 6, The World Around Us. So the first part, we are going to know about the flag of the different nations. And a flag is a symbol that represents its nation. Every country has a different flag. So let us read about the significance of flags of different countries. First, the capital of China is Beijing. The red in the flag represents the communist revolution that took place in China. The huge golden star represents communism as adopted in China, and the other four stars represent the social classes of people. So this is a description of the stars which is in the flag of China. Now moving to the next one. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The green color of the flag represents the lush greenery that the country has, and the red disc, which is at the center, symbolizes the rising sun as well as the people who died in the struggle for its independence. Next, coming to the capital of Egypt, that is Cairo, and the flag of Egypt has its national emblem, the eagle of Saladin at the center of the white band. Next is Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal, and this is the only flag in the whole world which is not in the rectangular shape, and it has two triangles. So these represents the two triangular portion of the flag represents the two main religions that are followed in Nepal. First is Buddhism and the second is Hinduism. Next, the capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. The dragon on the flag represents the country's purity. The jewels on the dragon's claw represents its wealth, and the orange color of the flag depicts Buddhism and the yellow represents the authority of the king. Now here there are three flags which we can see, that is of Venezuela, Ecuador and Colombia, and all these three flags, they have the same color pattern. All the three flags, they show the strips of yellow and then blue and then red. Though their inside symbols are different, but their three colors are same. Now moving to the next country, the capital of United States of America is Washington DC, and the 50 stars in the flag represents the 50 states of the country, and there are 13 strips on the flag which represents the 13 original colonies that gained independence from the Great Britain. And next coming is New Delhi is the capital of India, and the Indian flag has three colors. So the Indian flag has a saffron band on the top which signifies the strength and courage of its people. The white band in the middle indicates peace and truth that its people value. And this band has a Ashok Chakra with 24 spoke wheels, and it is in navy blue color. And it is placed at the center of the flag. The green band below represents the fertility and growth of the country. Now moving to the next one, the capital of Brazil is Brasilia. This flag has a white banner inside, a blue celestial globe. Now the flag contains 27 white stars that represent 26 states of the country and the federal district. Next, the flag of Sri Lanka is one of the world's oldest flags. and it is also known as lion flag. Sri Lanka is an island country. That means it is surrounded with water from all the sides. Earlier it was known as Ceylon. The capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. Next is the capital of Australia is Canberra. Its flag has a blue background bearing 6 stars, out of which 5 stars show the constellation of the Southern Cross and the 6th is the Commonwealth Star. Next is the capital of Japan is Tokyo, and the flag of Japan is a white rectangle with a red disc in the center representing the circle of the sun. So these were the flags of the different nations. Train your brain. Now there are numerous countries whose flag consists of only 2 colors. So can you name the 3 countries that begin with the letter T and have flags with a combination of red and white color? So now let's see the name of the countries which starts with T and which has a combination of red and white color. So first one is Turkey. As you can see that red color is the background and the moon and stars of the white color. Next, Tonga. It is having a red background and even there's a plus symbol with red color and the background of the plus symbol is white. Next is Tunisia. Here also the background is of red color and the moon and the star is red color, but the background of moon and star is white. So here there are the countries' name which starts with letter T and they have a combination of only red and white color. Now moving to part A, that is we have to read the clues to identify the countries, fill in the blanks with the correct answer and circle their names in the word grid. First we are going to fill in the blanks and then we will fill the word grid. Now moving to this, first one is it has some of the beautiful castles in the world and the world's biggest folk festival, Oktoberfest, is celebrated in this country and the name of the country is Germany. Second, it is the 3rd largest country in Europe after Russia and Ukraine. So the capital of this country is Paris, is the fashionable capital of the world and is renowned for the Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum. And the country is France. Now moving to the third, it is the 2nd largest country in the world. It borders the Atlantic, Pacific and Arctic Oceans. It produces about 71% of the world's maple syrup. And it is Canada. Canada is the 2nd largest country in the world. Now moving to the 4th one. It is an Arabian country popular for its oil reserves. It has the tallest man-made structure in the world, that is Burj Khalifa. And the name of the country is United Arab Emirates. 5th, it is a Scandinavian country best known for the Northern Lights. Its beauty stretches from Swords to its beautiful mountains. It is also known for its midnight sun. And the name of this country is Norway. And it is a Scandinavian country. Now, 6th is, it is the 4th largest island in the world. It is one of the main suppliers of vanilla and cloves. This island country lies in the Indian Ocean off the southeast coast of Africa, and lemurs are found only in this country. So the name of the country is Madagascar. Now moving to the next, this country is famous for the world's tallest twin buildings, the Petronas Tower in Kuala Lumpur. And the country is the home to Rafflesia arnoldi, the world's largest flower. We have already read about this flower in our previous chapter. So the name of the country is Malaysia. Malaysia is having the world's tallest twin building, that is Petronas Tower. Now the eighth is, it is the smallest country in the world. It is the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church, and it is famous for St. Peter's Basilica and Sistine Chapel. So this smallest country is Vatican City. So here we finishes the part A, and now moving to did you, we are going to first fill the word grid. Now as we have done the fill in the blanks, now filling the word grid. So first is Canada, second Madagascar, third Norway, fourth United Arab Emirates, next Germany, then comes France, and then comes Malaysia, and the last one is Vatican City. So this is the way we have filled the word grid. Now moving to did you know, that is San Marino, a small independent nation within Italy, was founded in 301 CE. It is considered the world's oldest republic. Yes. Now, why? One reason that San Marino has mostly stayed independent over the centuries is because of its hilly location. Now, due to the hilly location, it has stayed independent, and it is a landlocked San Marino. It is one of the world's smallest country. The tiny country that is completely landlocked by Italy was founded on September 3rd in the year 301 BC. San Marino's constitution, it was written in 1600 and is the world's oldest constitution. So we have got a knowledge about a world's oldest republic. Is it? It was made in 1600 constitution, and it's really nice that this particular country remained independent over the centuries, and the reason is about its hilly location. Part B, identify these countries or cities from their sobriquets and write their names in the space provided. The meaning of sobriquet is nickname. So many countries are given nicknames for their specialities. First is Eternal City, and the name of the country is Rome. Second, Land of Lilies, and it's for Canada. Land of Rising Sun, it is for Japan. India's Teardrop, and the name of the country is Sri Lanka. Next is Uncle Sam, it is for USA. Next is Rainbow Nation, it is for South Africa. Land of Morning Calm, it is for South Africa. Land of Fire and Ice, Iceland. And Land of Poet is given to Chile. Next is Land of Golden Fleece, and it is for Australia. Land of Thunder Dragon, this name is given to Bhutan, and Gift of Nile is Egypt. Now moving to train your brain, the currency of the European Union is the euro, and euro 1 is equal to 76 rupees. If Zara spent 25 euro in Brussels, 48 euro in Rome, and 115 euro in Paris. So calculate how much money Zara spent in Indian rupees. So 1 euro is equal to 76 rupees. So Zara spent 25 plus 48 plus 115 euro, which is equal to 188 euro. Zara spent in Indian rupees, that is 188 multiplied by the 76, which is equal to rupees 14,288. So the answer is Zara spent rupees 14,288 rupees. Homework, complete the exercises of chapter 6 in your GK book.
Students, we have done all the exercises of chapter 6 which you will complete in your GK book. Take care. Bye students.